Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Jen reading for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book yourself a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please don't forget my readings are general, so if they're not resonating, please don't try to fit in deliberately. In this reading, I'm going to give you general messages for Cancer for the month of December and love messages for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. The general messages for Cancer and Rising for the month of December. Anxious, sleep deprived. Why? What's happening? Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. Or not able to sleep properly, taking too much stress. Tell me the general messages. Oh, damn. Happy. Give me general messages for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. General messages. I do see Cancer. Some of you, some of you either you're stuck on an ex, missing an ex very, very badly, or some of you are really stuck in a disharmonious equation, a disharmonious partnership that's giving you sleepless nights, that's making you literally anxious. You have no idea how to work this out. It's getting extremely, extremely toxic for you, and probably just you just keep wondering as to how this is going to work out. Give me general messages. Give me general messages for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. I do see Cancer that the reason why you're holding on to this person is because or this equation or whatever you're a part. It's sort of a partnership, but you're only holding on because you're waiting for a change to happen. Uh, mm, okay, see, okay. The advice for you guys, Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising, is that if you want a change to happen, make it happen. We need to understand, we need to start understanding that all that we are a part of in life, be it our jobs or our romantic relationships or anything, change begins with you. Things don't change on an outer level. I mean, if there is something that if say for example, in your relationship, if there is something that you don't like, if there is there's something that bothers you, either communicate it to the person in a better way, in a nice way. Or if that's not changing, then probably start working on your mindset. But I do see that you guys want some sort of change to occur in this equation, that you can be peaceful, or probably this person has like moved on, you want this person to come back, some sort of that vibe I'm sensing. Give me general messages, please. Give me general messages for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. General messages for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. Yes, Cancer. See, I do see that somewhere or the other, some equation was not working out for you. It was disharmonious for you. It was clearly not the healthiest one for both the individuals involved in it. The Tower moment has occurred. That relationship or equation has fallen apart already. But somewhere or the other, you don't have the courage and the strength to move on, even though you badly want to move on, but you still find yourself stuck in that space. You want some change to occur, but at the same time you are yourself resisting that change, because somewhere or the other, it's giving you sleepless nights. You're minutely hoping for this person to come back, like you're missing the toxicity. Maybe this person wasn't toxic, but both of you together were not right people for you, so you're not really able to make peace with that fact, and you're somewhere or the other still stuck there. So I do see that you are resisting some sort of change from happening. Give me general messages. Give me general messages. General messages for Cancer, December. General messages, please. Yes, Cancer. See, it's time for you guys to start peeping inwards. You guys are feeling massively disconnected from yourself. Basically, this is one equation that hasn't worked out, or that is not working out. You're trying. If this person is still in your life, you're trying various means for this to work. And you're still staying stuck. You're feeling disconnected with yourself. You're feeling like you don't know yourself anymore. So the message for you guys is to, get in touch with yourself, maybe start meditating, maybe just like sit in silence, maybe do something that brings you more closer, a little bit closer to yourself, because I do see that you guys are anxious, you guys are not sleeping well, you guys are not taking care of your health, and all of that is taking a toll on you guys. So please start taking care of those things maybe. Maybe you guys have thought that this person is the one, and you want to like just do it all with them, and then it didn't work out in your favor, and now you're just in a very weird way holding on to it. And if you still want to be with this person, go out, be expressive, let them know, and then see what happens about it. Okay. I'm now gonna get love messages for Cancer Moon and Rising for the month of. Your general messages were also your love messages, guys, because probably love is all on your mind right now. Like you're not really bothered about anything else at this point in time, I see. Give me love messages for Cancer Moon and Rising for the month of December. Give me love messages, please. Give me love messages. Or I'm also receiving a message, guys, that maybe the month of December, someone who walked away, someone, with whom things never worked out in the past is coming back, and you're taking a trip down the memory lane, even if that relationship was extremely toxic for you guys. You're just like ready to dive in it again. So again, in a way, you're resisting change. Again, in a way, you're completely not out of it. That's a message that I'm receiving for some of you. Give me the messages for Cancer Moon Rising, please. Could be dealing with an earth sign, could be a Taurus, could be a Capricorn, could be a Virgo. No messages. Cancer, I sort of feel that you guys are suppressing a lot. You guys are really, really not expressing. And sometimes, when in interpersonal relationships, when we do not express, that whole thing becomes a game. You're not expressing, you are not expressing your genuine feelings, your true thoughts. So you are really, putting yourself across as somebody who you are not. That in a way is a game. That in a way is manipulation. So this is exactly what's happening, guys. This is not, very true expression of who you are in this equation. You're holding back a lot. You're suppressing a lot. You're not moving forward. So there's a lot of stuck energy. This is a lot of stuck energy, where you're not able to focus on your money, where you're not able to, move forward in life, and you're also suppressing a lot. So maybe just express it all. That's your message. That's your message, that, instead of playing mind games, instead of, this person could be playing mind games with you. You are playing mind games with your own self and with the other person by not being true and honest with who you are, what you feel. And somewhere or other, that's also getting in the way of you moving on. So maybe, just let it out. Whatever you're feeling, just let it out. Just speak to the person who bothers you. Give me love messages. What are the person's intentions towards Cancer Moon Rising? What are this person's intentions towards Cancer Moon Rising? Okay, Cancer, let me tell you that the person who you are thinking about, in their mind, this equation has ended. This equation was disharmonious. This person already thinks like you guys were not compatible, you were too mature for them, or this is not the kind of equation that they would like for their life. So in their mind, it has probably already like ended, and tell me more. Maybe this person, initially was only with you for passion purpose. Maybe, they found you attractive enough, but that's about it. But at the same time, right now they're not, this is not on their mind, guys. This is not on their mind. They're not really, they're not really planning to take this route towards you at all. Tell me what's the blockage? What's the blockage between Cancer and this person? Somewhere or other, the ruthlessness, Cancer. This person sort of thought that you were maybe both of you had the same perception of each other, that this person is ruthless. That person thought that you are ruthless. So maybe somewhere or the other, your words have deeply hurt this person. Somewhere or other, maybe you must have said something to them and then they took it to their heart and they decided, okay, I'm never going to. That's petty though, but yes, this person literally like decide that okay, they don't want to be a part of this equation. For others of you, the blockage could be that. Somewhere or the other, again, because there is no true expression of love, there is manipulation. When you are not expressing your emotions properly, you're manipulating. So always make sure in this equation or any other equation, whatever you're feeling, just strip down your heart and put it on the table, that this is how I feel, this is how I feel. And if the other person truly wants you, they will embrace you for what it is, for what you are, and they will work it out with you. That doesn't mean you act toxic. No, if you have some recurring toxic thoughts, it's absolutely your responsibility to address those. Tell me how's Cancer feeling towards this person. Tell me how's Cancer feeling towards this person. Tell me how's Cancer feeling towards this person. Cancer, I do see that you carried a lot of love for this person, a lot of admiration for this person, but now the same love, because it's not being reciprocated, it's draining you guys. You guys are literally feeling drained. You guys are feeling all over the place in your emotions, and you guys are sort of feeling like you do not have the skills to really, sort of get them. There could be like an emotion within you wherein you want to sort things out with them, but you don't. You just sort of feel that you cannot, or you don't have the courage, or you don't have the right kind of emotional bandwidth right now to really have a conversation with them. So that's what I'm seeing. Tell me what's the outcome for Cancer and this person in the month of December. Tell me what's the outcome for Cancer and this person for the month of December. What's the outcome for Cancer and this person for the month of December. I do see Cancer. See, the person that you guys are dealing with, it looks like that, they were only involved in it like on a passion level, not on a very deep emotional level. And it looks like, this person has made up their mind about ending this. It looks like, this person has already made peace with the fact that, okay, that equation was never meant for me, maybe. And at the same time, see, this is going to be, you are going to feel conflicted in the month of December, maybe because you are trying to get in touch with them, maybe because you are trying to see if there's still some scope for this to work out. You are not being expressive, so that's a problem. If you want somebody, go let them know. You are just wanting them to do certain things for you without really letting them know where are you coming from. And at the same time, this person is in no space to take mixed signals or anything, so this person is just sort of like, yeah, whatever, I'll move on. So that's what I'm sensing. What is the advice? I'll pull advice cards for you guys. See, the message for you guys is whatever you're carrying within, just express it. Don't hold back. Do not hold back. Have the power to have a true communication or like a true conversation, and be honest about how you feel. Give me advice for Cancer Moon Rising. What's the advice for Cancer Moon Rising? What's the advice for Cancer Moon Rising? Give me advice. Well, the advice for you guys, Cancer, stop overthinking, stop obsessing, stop really, thinking about somebody who has left or who has gone. Just focus on your present. Start going out on dates, start meeting new people, develop new passions, focus on your passions. Renew all the energy that you carry within yourself. Either you have two options. You can just go to this, have the courage to pick up your phone, or to just go to this person and let them know how you're feeling. Ask them out. Let them know that this is how I feel. Would you want to be with me? That would solve a lot of your problems, because you're not being honest with your emotions. A lot of your problems are happening. You never know, things may work out. But at the same time, if you've decided, for some of you, I'm getting a message that you are wanting them to make a move towards you. And at the same time, you're also getting upset that why are they not making a move towards me? So you're just waiting, and this is like a very redundant sort of a wait. This is not a productive kind of a wait, because this person hasn't asked you to wait. This person has already let you know by their actions to move on. So in case you have feelings, in case you have passion, in case you really think about this person, so just let them know. Reach out to them, have a honest conversation with them, and if no, let this person go. Stop overthinking about them, stop thinking about them, let them go, release them out of your system, and probably start focusing on your passions, start focusing on yourself. This is not the end of the world, guys. I hope it helped, I hope it resonated. Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys next month.